Hi everyone, this weekend I want to share a little bit about eyebrow and how they can define our beauty. Many of us may not have the shape or the fullness we wish for, and sometimes past tattoo procedures can damage hair follicles, leaving our eyebrow thin or uneven. At iPlus Hair Regrowth Expert, we can help you to restore and shape eyebrow to look full, natural and beautifully designed to your face. We carefully select the fine donor hair to match your brows, creating a shape that enhances your look at a reasonable price. Let's bring out the best in your eyebrows that make you feel proud of your eyebrows. This procedure can be done for both men and women. So happy weekend everyone.